With the US-Iran ceasefire set to expire on Wednesday, UK Foreign Secretary Yvette Cooper was in Japan warning of the global instability brought on by the Strait of Hormuz blockade.
The closure of the Strait of Hormuz is having an impact on energy security, economic security and national security across the globe. And that's why it's so important for us to do everything possible to make sure the Strait of Hormuz can open again.
There were diplomatic efforts to shore up energy security cooperation elsewhere in Asia also. South Korea's Lee Jae-myung is in India for the first presidential visit in 8 years. In an interview with Indian media ahead of talks with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Lee stressed the need for joint efforts to stabilize global supply chains. A flare-up in tensions over the weekend has cast doubt over a speedy diplomatic resolution to the Iran war and pushed oil prices higher. Still, major indexes across Asia advanced on Monday, with Korean equities wiping out losses incurred since the start of the war. The focus is now on whether the US and Iran can resume talks to end the conflict and reopen the Strait of Hormuz to alleviate energy supply concerns. Analysts say the rise in Asian equities may signal investors have priced in the worst case of the impact from the crisis, and that if a deal materializes, oil prices could settle from current levels.
So I think what we'll see is more of an oil price that's probably in the 70s, maybe depending on what's happening geopolitically, it could pop up into the 80s. But I'm hoping the days of $100 oil are behind us at this point in time.
For now, Asian markets are holding cautiously, but with no clear path to a peace deal, any shift in the conflict could trigger more volatility across the region and add pressure to governments grappling with energy supply concerns. Patrick Falk, Al Jazeera, Singapore.